Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Gmail security checks and protect recovery options, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. Log into your Gmail account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the profile picture icon in the top right corner. Click on the profile picture and select Manage your Google account. In the left sidebar, click on Security. Scroll down to the section labeled Ways we can. To add a recovery phone number, click on Add a recovery phone. Follow the prompts to enter your phone number and verify it via SMS. Next, scroll down to two-step verification and click on it. You may need to enter your password again for security purposes. Follow the prompts to enable two-step verification. This typically involves entering a phone number for a text or call with a verification code. Once two-step verification is enabled, you will see options to download backup codes. Click on Show Codes to view your backup codes. Make sure to download or print them for safekeeping. Next, return to the Security tab. Ensure Security Checkup is completed to review any potential security issues. Follow any recommended actions to strengthen your account's security. Finally, keep your recovery options updated regularly. Always review your security settings at least twice a year to ensure they are current. You have now successfully set up Gmail security checks and recovery options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.